fresh turmeric for dry and make it powder. Pag may turmeric kayo, ganito, yun lang. No need to buy in groceries for turmeric powder. You can make it on your own, like this. After 1 week, become completely dry, and you make it powder, turmeric powder. I can't make it through the rain. I will stand by once again on my own, and I know